It is laundry day, and you are frustrated. You pull a load of towels out of the dryer after a full 60-minute cycle, and they are still steaming and damp. You shove them back in and run it again. Another hour passes. They are dry now, but the top of your dryer feels dangerously hot to the touch, and the whole laundry room smells faintly like burning dust. Your first instinct is to assume the machine is broken. You think the heating element is dying or the thermostat has failed. You start looking up prices for a new Samsung or LG unit, preparing to drop $800 because you don't want to deal with a repairman. Do not buy a new dryer yet. Your current one is likely working perfectly fine. It is just suffocating. To understand the problem, you need to understand the physics of drying clothes. A dryer needs two things: heat and airflow. The heating element warms up the wet clothes, turning the water into steam. But that steam needs somewhere to go. A large fan pushes that hot, moist air out of the back of the machine and out of your house. You probably religiously clean the lint trap screen inside the door before every load. Good for you. But that little screen only catches about 80% of the lint produced by your clothes. Where do you think the other 20% goes? It blows right past that screen and into the exhaust venting system hidden behind the machine and inside your walls. Over 2 or 3 years, this leftover fuzz combines with humidity to create a solid, felt-like plug inside the 4-inch pipe that leads outside. When this vent is blocked, the moisture cannot escape. The dryer is trying to exhale with a hand over its mouth. The damp air just recirculates, which is why it takes 3 cycles to dry jeans. But the bigger issue is the heat. With nowhere for the hot air to go, the temperature inside the drum and the cabinet builds up to dangerous levels. This is why the top of the machine feels scorching hot. You are essentially creating a tinderbox. That plug of lint in the wall is highly flammable, and the excess heat is the ignition source. This hidden clog is the #1 cause of thousands of dryer fires every single year. Here is the technician's fix that costs $0. Pull the dryer away from the wall. You will see a flexible foil or rigid metal hose connected to the back. Unscrew the clamp and pull that hose off. Prepare yourself, because what you see inside will be disgusting. You will likely find a massive clog of gray, compacted lint completely blocking the exit. Use your vacuum hose to suck it out. If the clog is deep in the wall pipe, you can buy a dryer vent cleaning brush kit on Amazon for $20 that attaches to a drill and snakes all the way outside. Once you clear that airway, go outside and check the exhaust flap on the side of your house to make sure it opens freely. Reconnect everything and push the dryer back. The next time you run a load, the airflow will be powerful. Your clothes will dry in 45 minutes flat, your electric bill will drop, and most importantly, you won't burn your house down.